Open the energy up, get the mental space out into a large sphere. Then as we drop the hips, stretch the spine, I want you to compress the energy directly into the bones. Just mentally press it into the bones. Take a long time to breathe out, compress it into the bones. Now, as you're compressing it into the bones, the mind has to occupy a smaller space. Your mind leads that energy into the bone marrow. Press it in, press it in, press it in, press it in. Be very aware of the skeletal structure of your body. Will the energy into the marrow. After a very, very long out breath, which can take a minute, you put your awareness, just stop breathing for a moment, and then release and breathe in and let everything rise by itself. Everything you just seek to open. So it's like you've compressed a spring, and now you just let it go. Oh, I'm just going to let myself float and open the mental space, let the energy come back out. So you compress the spring, you let it out. You compress the spring, you let it out. Oh, you just start floating. Everything just opens up by itself. It's a decompression. Energy lets go. The mind just wants to open up. The energy wants to open up. And as it's doing that, you'll get layers of relaxation taking place where muscles and tendons, ligaments are just changing their relationship to the body. Everything just goes, I can let go. So we want to use this as a releasing exercise, but the releasing is a side effect of compression and decompression. So compress into the bones, long out breath. And then once you're ready to release, just let your breathing natural. You can breathe in and out, breathe in, just doesn't really matter. Just let your arms float, your body float, everything come up. And as that's happening, you're going to feel layers of unconscious tension, emotions, things that are holding the muscles. Just want to escape. Just let them out. Oh, you can go. I don't need those tensions anymore. I don't need those little things that are holding in the muscles. Just release them.